Sometimes, love begins with arrogance, collides with pride, and ends in unforgettable passion. Welcome to Turkish Drama Notions, where hatred and love walk hand in hand. Today, we are diving into top 10 latest Bad Boy Innocent Girl Turkish series with English subtitles 2025. Stories that start with anger but slowly bloom into undeniable love. Let's begin. At number 10 we have Pyasa, and its English name is Market. This drama is about love, betrayal, and fame in Turkey's chaotic media world. Munawwar is forced into marriage, sacrificing her dreams for her family. While Kanan Akın, a charming yet reckless star, spirals into addiction under the shadow of his controlling mother. Their collision sparks a whirlwind of emotions neither of them expected. Can love survive when both are broken from within? Watch to find out. At number 9 comes Sahip Sizzler, also known as The Abandoned Ones. The story of this drama revolves around 6 orphaned siblings escaping a traumatic past. In the bustling streets of Istanbul, they face survival, betrayal, and heartbreak, but also find unexpected allies and deep connections that challenge their mistrust. How far would you go to protect the only family you have left? At number 8 we find Esref Rüya, or Esref's Dream. This drama follows Ashraf, a feared mafia leader, who finds hope in Nisan, a quiet musician. But Nisan hides a dangerous truth: she's an undercover informant sent to destroy him. As emotions grow deeper, trust begins to blur. Will love blind them to reality, or will secrets tear them apart? Number 7 is Zembili, also known as The Mystic. Set in a world where mystery meets belief, this drama is about an enigmatic man who can predict fates. When a rational, innocent girl challenges his authority, sparks fly. Her skepticism draws her into his mysterious orbit, changing both their lives forever. Is he a fraud, or does fate really speak through him? Coming in at number 6 is Karal Kaybeders, or If the King Loses. This drama is based on the life of Kanan Barnagar, a rich, powerful man entangled in a loveless marriage. Everything changes when Fadia, a poor yet bold girl, enters his world and threatens his control. Their fiery battles ignite a passion neither saw coming. When power meets defiance, who really wins, the king or the girl who challenges him? At number 5 we have Kenboku, meaning life-debt. The story of this drama revolves around Mehmet, a lawyer desperate to reconnect with his daughter. As family secrets unravel and old betrayals return, he finds unexpected hope in Dua, a girl who reminds him of everything he's lost. Can love heal a heart already torn by guilt? Number 4 is Baska Bir Gan, translated as Another Day. A quiet life shatters when Hira's husband mysteriously vanishes. This drama is about her transformation from a housewife to a determined woman, uncovering dark truths about the man she loved. As she searches for answers, she finds herself drawn to someone new. Will her pain lead her to love, or destroy what's left of her trust? At number 3 we have Bir Zamanlar Istanbul, or Once Upon a Time in Istanbul. The story follows Ali and Seher, two lovers who rise from a school rebellion into the gritty depths of Istanbul's mafia. This drama explores whether their fight against injustice will save them, or whether love is too fragile for a world built on crime. What's the price of freedom when love is your only escape? Number 2 is Sakir Pasa Ailesi, also known as Portrait of a Scandalous Family. In a world of wealth, secrets, and legacy, an innocent girl enters the corrupted halls of the Sakir Pasa mansion. There, a dark-hearted man waits, her complete opposite, yet fate ties them together. Can a pure soul survive in a house built on scandal, or will love rewrite their fate? And finally, at number 1, we have Sustal Seelan, which means switchblade Seelan. This is the story of Seelan, a quiet woman trapped in a violent marriage. Secretly educating herself, she dreams of escape, but when her son is kidnapped by an organ trafficking mafia, she turns into a fierce warrior. How far will a mother go when survival is no longer a choice but a promise? Love can be born from hate, and sometimes the most dangerous hearts beat the loudest. Which of these dramas will you watch first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful Turkish love stories only on Turkish Drama Notions.